Let's talk about neighborhood geo and radius targeting using YouTube ads and Google ads for cleaning businesses. You can pick as little as a 1 mile radius and decide to target everybody in that entire circle. Now, I did a video just a week or two ago on radius targeting using postcards and EDDM marketing. I recommend that if you're going to do that, you also do an online strategy for that same exact radius. That's what we're going to talk about specifically in this video. What's going to happen is when somebody types in carpet cleaning or carpet cleaning in that particular city, you can target an entire zip code or even a 1 mile radius around a particular home in a specific neighborhood that you want to target. That way you're not spending money marketing to everyone. That way you're only marketing to a few people. So a few different things can happen. They type in carpet cleaning or power washing or whatever type of cleaning service that you do, and only the people in that particular mile radius that you chose are going to see your ad pop up here, or sometimes I guess it could pop up down there at the bottom of the page depending on your bid, and a lot of different things go on with that. But you can also set that ad to show up for everybody regardless of whether they're searching or not. There are different parameters that you can also select within that as far as demographics and income level and things like that, where your ad can show up on places like weather.com, on various local media like a local newspaper or another local website. Lots of different places have these type of ads that show up. As well, you can show up on YouTube ads, specifically for those people maybe that are interested in hardwood, or if they're researching things about cleaning, you can actually show up and do videos. So we're going to walk through and show you cases of how you can do that for each here. First and foremost, you'll likely want to do an ad based on search, specifically for that zip code or that neighborhood or 1 mile radius. And you want to go ahead and make sure in the headline that you're telling them you are a cleaner in that particular area. So a lot of the times, this is an ad that we would run in my own cleaning business, where we would let them know that we're a cleaner located on a specific road that they're familiar with. Obviously, this road is either a road that they live right by or right around the corner from, so this is very attractive to them. This headline is very, very attractive to them once they see this. So this ad actually got us a lot of clients in that particular area because we mentioned that. And the other beautiful part about that is we're not driving all over the place to target those people. So we would do a search ad, and as well we would do display ads that would talk about things like we're the neighborhood cleaner. We would also do YouTube ads that would talk about things like we're the neighborhood cleaner. Some of our ads would actually have pictures of me standing in front of a neighborhood sign, the introduction to the neighborhood, videos of me standing in front of a sign. In fact, here's one particular video where I did just that. Stood out in front of that neighborhood, ran an ad based on that, and it did pretty well. It got some attention, and that's really the key to that. Now, here's what you need to do in your campaign. People always ask me, like, how do I do that? Where is that specifically? So real quick, I'll show you. Go to your settings under your campaign level, and there's going to be an area called locations. Under that location, you want to choose either the zip code, if you're going for the entire zip code, or the 1 mile radius. And you can do that by going to advanced search, going through here and picking that particular address, whatever area that you want to actually choose. Olive Road. And for something like this, you would go in and choose that area, and then you would target that 1 mile radius by going here and deciding how many miles and what area that you want to target. So if I didn't want to target the entire zip code, in this case, I'd click out this one. And then here, we've only got 1 mile that we're marketing to these people. And this is the same way that you would choose it for a display ad or a search ad. I would click save, and then I would be marketing there. Now, the other neat thing, and one of the things I love about Google Ads, is you can start and stop ads. You can run specific ads. Sometimes we would have specific ads set to go after a heavy rain or a hurricane or a flood, targeting water damage. Or if you're slow, then you put ads on. If you're busy, you take ads off. So we would specifically have ad campaigns for those kind of services like that. As well, that we would have some ads specifically set to be able to run for whenever we would want to do same-day cleaning. We couldn't always offer that, but sometimes we could. And when we could, and we were slow, we would offer those only to people in some specific neighborhoods, in some specific areas, because we couldn't do same day cleaning even if we were slow throughout all of the entire city all the time. So we would do lots of different options for that type of thing. Local ads, letting them know that we're really close, we're in that neighborhood a lot. Also ads letting them know that we could turn off and on when needed for same day cleaning. Also ads for water damage when and if we were able to do that service or when that service was greatly needed in that specific area. So the other thing that you might want to do is run YouTube ads in those particular areas. So how you do that is you set up a video ad when you go in to set the ad up, and specifically the big thing to understand about a YouTube ad is going to be it needs to be a video that's a pretty good video. So don't do it based on just you have some video that nobody likes. Make sure it's a video somebody likes and people are watching, and then it's going to show up something like this. It's that interrupter video.
YouTube, what's up, guys? We are out here in the wine.
They can skip by going here. The ad is going to play if they want to skip, but this ad can show up for either that 1 mile radius or a particular zip code or the entire city if you'd like to. In this particular video, we're talking about neighborhood marketing, but highly recommend that if you've got great videos that people actually love and cherish. So the big thing is all of this can greatly complement an entire neighborhood marketing process. Again, probably for your best bet, the best marketing that you would be able to do would be able to mail a postcard series and then at the same time do a Google ad campaign for the people that happen to be searching for, because the search campaign are for people specifically looking for a cleaning company whenever they search Google, but also a display ad for the people who might be in that specific neighborhood. The people that might have gotten that postcard that you just sent out can actually see your ads. But then as well, a YouTube ad specifically for the people, again, that might have seen your postcard. Or you can actually target for YouTube ads the people that are already looking for videos about whatever type of cleaning that you do. So all of this is part of a great marketing mix. Here's how you get great at business and how you get great at marketing. Trying things that you know work, and then trying them better and fixing them until they are working for you. So this is the type of stuff that I work with cleaning companies all the time that I know works really well. You can get access to my entire Google Ads course in my ad coaching club. I'll put the link below this video. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Let me know. Be glad to help you.